Well, hello there and greetings to you. Here's a quick video we're going to run through setting this up on your site and getting started with the Video Live Pro. So let's head on to my WordPress admin here. And I'm on the plugins page. Obviously, I'm already logged in and I'm just going to go through the installation here. So we're going to choose Add New. And we're going to select Upload Plugin. And from here you can select your file. Now I've got it right here next to the browser, so I'm just dragging it in and dropping it on the button there and clicking Install Now. There we go. Let's go ahead and activate the plugin. And it should be done by now. There we go, Video Live Pro. And now if we go to a page, let's go and create a new page. I'm going to call this my first live event. And if we go down here, we can see we've got Video Live Pro installed. Now we do need to activate our license, so let's give that a quick click. Just put in your purchase email and password, and there we go. We've got the package ready to go. So let's go back to our page here. And here we can see Video Live Pro, and all we need to do is pop in the video ID and select the type of event, and away we go. So if you scroll down here, you've got a shortcut to your YouTube Live dashboard. So let's just give that a click. And I'm going to scroll down here. As soon as the page is done loading. And here we can see in the share option on my live dashboard, we've got the watch $V equals, this is my live link. If yours says /live, then you can turn it on private. You want to change it to private so you can create private events. All you need to do is go back here and just under privacy in the basic info, you can just select unlisted. When you do that, and you may need to wait a few seconds and reload the page, you come down here, you'll have the video with the video ID. I'm just going to copy that. And back inside of my Video Live Pro in WordPress admin, I'm just pasting it in there. I'm going to select Go Live, Update or Publish if it's a newbie. And we can take a look at my page here. And I'm not actually streaming this live while I'm making this video, but we can see everything is working. Now you've got different broadcasting options, and you can do this super easily, or you can get more advanced about it. I'm going to do other videos and we'll actually explore a couple of different options you've got there. But go ahead, install the Video Live Pro, get it set up, and if you're already doing live broadcasts, why don't you try it out? There's some really cool stuff you can put out, and then you can share your own website link and do your live events on your own site. If you've got the premium package, let me just go back here. And you've got the marketing tools, then what I might do is I'll make a separate video and I'll cover these options here. But they're super easy. You can just put in your call to action panel, choose at what point in the presentation you want that to appear. You've got your stay till the end redirect, and you've also got the option to password protect this page. So that's it. That is Video Live Pro, setting it up and ready to go.